Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are doing our palette of the month. So yes, basically what palette have we been dying, gagging, loving, or just want to showcase? So Delaney, what palette did you pick?
If you guys may have seen in our indie highlight of the month, I talked about Blushtribe, so I'm actually going to be using a Blushtribe palette. This is the Hasina 2. I've had it for a little bit. It's currently sold out, but I just love everything about it. Now, it doesn't have a mirror inside, but like...
And I'll be using the Juvia'S Zulu palette. This is just a palette that has brights. I used this shade for one look. Maybe this orange.
I used this way back in the day when we first started doing videos.
Yeah.
I own it. I like it. I like Juvia'S place. The shimmers are surprisingly good and the mattes are very blendable.
If you are interested in Juvia'S place, they literally just wait a couple of days. Like there's a sale for something happening and they do a really good bundle for all their palettes, like their older palettes, but you can also get them very cheap just alone at 20-something bucks. Yeah.
If you miss online sales or if you don't want to order online, you can always go into Ulta. They have a few of their eyeshadow palettes. Are they marked down? No, they're not. But one of the brands that is always doing a sale. I think after they release their complexion, not so much because people are like, well, why aren't you going to put complexion on sale? I'm like, because it's new. They're not going to do that. Yeah. But their eyeshadows are always something that's always going on sale. So this one's currently sold out. It's sold in the UK. I don't have the exact pricing, but I believe when I purchased my Hasina 2, it was £23.99, which is roughly like $25-26 for our conversion. Since it's in the UK, it does have to take a little bit longer to ship. But it has 7 shimmers and 8 mattes in it. So
we're just going to go ahead and start our look. We'll talk you through and yeah, just grab something to drink and let's do some makeup.
Urban Decay.
So I did concealer on my eyelid and I set that down with the Laura Mercier loose translucent powder in medium deep. The bummer, no names for this. So I'm just gonna call out shades. So I'm going in with the Morphe E27 and this is the brown shade. And we're just gonna put this in our transition area and blend for the gab.
Okay, I'm gonna take ANIKA in the crease, which is a matte blue. I tried to use shades in this palette that I haven't actually really used a whole lot. I'm using my Morphe M330 to apply it. I'm gonna go in with Jade and my SEPHORA Pro 14. Jade is a shimmer formula, so they can be a little bit crumbly. I do feel that they have the same kind of fallout tendencies as the Juvia'S place, which is interesting for us to use this at the same time. So when I apply them, I just kind of like press. I don't really drag, just so they don't fall over my face. But it sweeps away really easily.
I'm going in with the dark purple in the palette and I'm using the Sigma E40 brush.
I'm gonna take Re, which is a matte teal, and it is a shade that I have come to admire, but I have not really used.
So I was using a mixture of the yellow and the orange to buff out just at the very underneath of my brows.
I'm gonna take my last color, and this is gonna be Ash, and it's the matte black in here, and I'm just gonna take a Morphe E36, and I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner, just slightly, just a little.
And then now I'm going in with the shimmery green and applying that all over my lid.
Just taking a little bit of ANIKA again and just blending it into Ash. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with Re just to deepen them back up. Because sometimes when you're blending Blushtribe shadows, they kind of go away.
Okay, so guess who forgot mascara?
What you need, girl?
Mascara. Just that drawer on the top under the concealer. Okay, so going in with Kat Von D liner Trooper. I kind of don't want to do a wing today. I'm not feeling wingy, so I'm just gonna tight line.
I'm gonna go with the Peel Cosmetics. This is the gel liner in Forest Green. Mascara, we're gonna be using the TARTEIST because we are gonna apply false lashes. What's your favorite thing about Juvia'S place eyeshadow?
I think the size. The pan size for the price is outstanding. I feel like I will never hit pan unless I used to use that one palette for the rest of my life.
Would you say it's outpanding?
We haven't had a pun in a while.
I know. I haven't been on my game.
And I think the color ranges are really nice. I don't reach for like their nude palettes as much because I'm like, eh.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of their bigger palettes, but I like the 9 pans. I like the how square they are. I'm just like,
yeah.
I love the outside packaging. I just like you said, the pops of color in Juvia'S place. Blushtribe, I just got the Layla 2, and that's all greens and like a yellow. And it's very complimentary to this one, so like, I really want to make some looks with both of them together. Also like, now keep them separate.
Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna do the Glam Light. This is the Fresh Baked and Delicious Lashes in Margarita.
I'm gonna be using the Lunar Angel lashes, and this is in Starburst. I used these like a month ago, but I really like them, and they're in their box still, so I don't. They're easy to bring over. Still waiting for my mascara to dry because I don't like to smear everywhere. So I'm gonna be jumping in my lip, which is KISSLETOE by BELLEGANT. It's just like a nice kind of green.
Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Did you pick a lip?
Dang it. I'm not prepared this morning. Alright, yep, we'll do it. Number 3 from Sephora Lip Story, which is called Sephora Loves New York. That's what this is called, and it's a cream.
Yeet!
You picked it.
You said nude. I was like, oh, do I go against her or do I just pick for myself? So I picked what you wanted.
Cute. It's cute. I like it.
Well, this is our palette of the month look. We're going to get into some close-ups for you guys. But if you want to see us do a specific palette or a brand, put it down in the comments. Hit us up on Instagram. All of our social media is sugarandspice_makeup. We have our Facebook page as well, so you can definitely find us there. Please hit that subscribe button before you go, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!